Eh uma ngabe kuyiwa lapha eParliament, again kunama allegations athi kunabantu asebe on standby abalungele ukungeniswa eParliament, abanye kuthiwa bagwazile, abanye benze njani njengoba kuzophela uMay, kunama positions asebekelwa abantu abathile. Those are allegations okwamanje angafisa ukuthi umuntu akathi ufocusa kuona. Ake sikhulume because kunabantu who were gazetted and i-organization mningi imithetho eyiphulile towards ukuba khona kuyona kuhulumeni oqalayo, and lezo zinto will backfire uma kuzongabi nokuthula between the parties esikhuluma ngawo, whether abantu abafike kuqala kwi-organization noma bafike yamuva noma kwenzakalani. Because one uma kukhulunywa ama-list iqala abantu ekufanele bawongene eParliament, those people mhlambe they are nowhere to be found. Maybe majority yabo abantu abaxoshiwe ku-organization, but amagama bayavela lapha. How are you going to deal with that? Because rightfully so, abanye babo njengoba desibona icase yaTsekedi neka Debbie, those people bebevela be abantu ufana nomuntu osuqashiwe masuye eParliament, abafana nabantu abaqashiwe, but kusuka imisindo egcine yenza ukuthi kwande more cases kuyo inkantolo even more. But we should be focusing ekutheni ukuthi asiqede lezimpi manje, yonke chaos ekhona ayize ngamasoso kuhlaliswe phansi kudilwe nayo, so that come May uMay awuphazanyiswe lutho. We are dealing with the right processes and the right procedures to make sure ukuthi people who are going to participate there, they are there to serve our interests. They are not there because ubani ufaka omunye ngefastela. They are not there because ubani ukwazele bani makwenzakalani. We need people who are going to have an impact, people who are going to serve our interests, not people who are going to think ukuthi bawutholile umsebenzi bajabulela ama-events ngetag yokuthi uyimember yeParliament, ujabulela ukuthi unama-benefit okuflya mahhala, unendlu akhokhi rent ka-300 and something ikuyona kwizindlu zama-MPLs and what not. So we don't need those people. We need people abazokwazi ukuthi kwi-constituency yabo, people abavele endaweni ovela kuyona akucace each and every province, akucace ukuthi nama-member that are representing you there, that are abakhulumisa iy'dingo ze-province yonke ezithi ikhulunyiswa on the ground, laba abagijima on the ground, but also the representatives in Parliament afake ingcindezi as the mouthpieces, bringing cases aphathekayo. Those researchers that are in Parliament are not just there for enjoy umsebenzi, ufikile umsebenzi yonke into. They are there ukukhulumisa ama-cases abantu on the ground. If we are in opposition, we are official oppositions, ama-members omkhonto. Njengoba umkhonto ungenele zi-official opposition, awukwazi ugovernment ukuthatha u-left nikhona kanti what is your role in Parliament? Because wena ugovernisha kanye nohulumeni okhona uhambe sidini, you are a government official ekufanele isebenze umsebenzi ozokwazi ukuthi lokho wrong okwenzakalayo correct it, run with the programs that are going to bring about change. You have your offices, you have your budget, you have your programs. Umuntu ongasebenzisani ne-constituency yakhe, ongabuyele emuva up to i-level ye-branch la kuzofanele ukuthi azeke khona izone and others, kanti usebenza kusiphi space, u-operator kusiphi space. Yes, we understand abantu ukuthi behlelwa imana-ke makuziwa kwi-MK. Again, we are going to see ourselves sibuyele emuva njengamanje njengoba ngithi ayidlula imonth ka-April eyamacala wonke, ngangishilo even before 15 of December, because most of abantu bang-misunderstand, but uNxamalala uyangi-understand. Now uma sithi njengamanje maningi ama-cases akhona, iningi inkinga eyikhona, but asifixe what is wrong, what went wrong up until end of April. Come May sikhulumisa lezi zinto, sithole stability, singabi nomsindo. Udlula uMay, June, July kungena ama-budget ku-local government. You are not in government yet, but ku-local government, that's where lonke uhlobo lokuphatha kohulumeni basekhaya nabantu izinto zenzeka khona, lapha amandla abantu on the ground esebenza khona. And that's where people bekwazi ukuthi bebulalane bebodwa, because uyazi ukuthi mangila chances are ewadini yami vele kushuthi ngizongena ngicontest usibani because iyaphatheka into ye-leadership endaweni yakhona. Amandla lapho hayi labantu bewa bangakhona eyikhundleni abayibanga kuzona phezulu. And those are just deployments. If you understand what is a deployment, anything ingenzeka ngawe, it means when I take an order. If you are still failing to take an order, you are not supposed to be in that position in the first place. But we'll come to that ngesinye isikhathi. Kudlule lokho, kufike kuqaleke manje kukhankasa iorganization abantu aqalwe nabo kwiorganization babecela osomabhizinisi banikela ngeimali zabo abanye baphelelwa imisebenzi bayeka imisebenzi akade bayenza njengamanje. It's a fact ukuthi organization ayinamali. It's a fact ukuthi abantu abasebenza kade benikela ngezinto zabo njengamanje abanayo imali. That is an advantage for other parties who are in government already, abahleli ku local government, because the budgets azongena, they'll be using those budgets ukuthi bekhankase ngawo. We'll be seeing more of the Siyanqoba rallies and others. La o service provider basebenzile bengakhokhelwa imali zabo, but ziyakhankasa lezo imali for political organizations ukuthi achieve afuna uku-achieve. So lokho kuyibeka phi organization? Kuyibeka la ekufanele ithole ikhubazekile already, but you don't want ukuthi discourage your event because uthi awunayo imali. If one were able to achieve ama results achievile operating at a zero budget, it's not about money. It's not about ukuthi ubani contributing. Yes, you did that because anyway, most of the people who were abebekade befuna usizo kosomabhizinisi beno njani yonke leyo mali bayipocketile abantu. They did not declare those things. That's why sophinde sibabone begijima behamba nabangani babo again, because that's where bedla bona. Abantu abasasebenzi basebenza imali zabantu. Kuxatshanwe kusale iproblem isala nabantu abasele kulawo ma regions. We don't want that again. Ake sisuse wonke amananga macala yonke into, because kuzothi kufanele ngabe umuntu ukhankasela ukuthi akawuphathe uhulumeni wasekhaya akumacala azobe eqhamuka left, right and center, because abantu abaningi baphuma kade khamba kahle esesikhundleni. Umuntu aphuma yanele ngaphuma esikhundleni aphuma bebitha afuna ukuyiphinselela. Why izofuna ukuyiphinselela? People have used the least akade benakho baqeda konke kade benakho ephaketheni. Bafanele abanye ukuthi inhliziyo zibe ebhlungu uma sekunabantu abafika emva kwabo bafika baba overtake. Now ake sibe ngento ezosibuyisela emsindweni. We don't want that. Kwisimo sika Mary no Busisiwe, ake baqhele bonke laba abanye abantu abaphehla ngeenhloso zabo ezinye. Ake bame, ake kudile na two individuals, because uzobe usuyachaza wena ukuthi mase kunenye impi engale sekuyiphi if ingasekho egameni lalaba abantu ababili. Umhlabathi ubuvundiselwa lokho kuqala. Noma ngabe yipi ke enye sub-region, enye region, enye structure, noma ngabe kuphi kwenye indawo. La ekunasame imsindo khona. La ekunasame imsindo la kuthiwa khona usibanibani uhamba ne-affectionate field. Njoba sibheke local government, umuthi wena same qembu, umusathi MK party. Awukwazi wena ufike ukhulume different language. Not unless you are deployed to come and do something else. Whether uyahambisana nomuntu okufoloswe ngayo seqhuzwini noma uhambisana naye, but if kukuthi inhloso yakho futhi ukhuluma ilanguage esilindele nekuyiyona ethi kuyowinwa lobo pholi, fanelwe lo muntu ekufoloswe ngaye, whether uyi-candidate eya kwi-by-election noma uyi-candidate ezobe isiya kuma-elections ke, the actual elections are 2026. Wonke umuntu whether ufika ne-faction ebikade 10 uma kufikwa lapho fanele ucandidate ekukhankaselwa yena kube uyena oseqhulwini. Your politics aside, fanele leadership ethunyelwe kuleyo ndabo, kuleyo ndawo erecognizewa ama structures ngokohlelo unxamalala kalikhiphile nabantu akasebenza nabo, kube yiyona erecognizewayo. All these conspiracies eziqhamuka ngokuhlukana ngegaba ezihlukene, we don't need those. Sidinga abantu beyosebenza. Uma ukuthi uMary ubexoshiwe uzofanele abuye ngohlelo elifanelekile, but for now uMary akalandele imigomo uma esathi usebenza ngegama le-organization. Kungenjalo akasusa amakhala ze-organization, akasusa igama le-organization nabanye abantu be-organization, and she is going to comply. Same thing with uMkhwebane. akekho operator ku space sakhe. That's why I constituency yomuntu isuke ibalekile, because uma ungaphatheki